Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustin07, coming at you once again through the power of OBS Recording Studios. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 6-7 machine in Minecraft, because that's a bit of a trending thing right now. So, let's get started. First, we need to create an infinite pulsing current in Minecraft, which I have a video on how to do that. You can check it out now if you want to. But basically, you put down some repeaters in this arrangement, and then you put redstone dust to connect them. Then you need a button so that way you can start it up. So hit the button and then immediately break the button, and as you can see, now there's just a pulse of redstone signal that goes around the repeaters forever. And this is really important because this is essentially a power core that will be used for the machine. Now we need to actually build the 6-7 machine. The way you do it is you use any kind of block you want and make a T out of it, sort of like an iron golem. But then you'll put extra right here, because these are essentially the hands that move up and down. Then put sticky pistons right there, and you can put a pumpkin on top to look like a face. Then you connect the two pistons to the redstone power core. And here we are. It's now moving up and down. And what you can also do is you can adjust the repeaters so that way you can slow down the timing cycle of everything. So I'll just right click this one. And as you can see, now the pistons are not moving as quickly, but at the same time it honestly looks more like the actual 6-7 meme with the hand motion because of the way the timing cycle is now. So yeah, it's just going to do this forever until I break the redstone signals. So yeah, it's just a little funny thing you can do, you know, to mess with your friends, only if they want you to mess with them though, because, you know, a lot of players I think would get mad if someone built this 6-7 machine in front of their house. I'd be pretty annoyed, even though it's kind of funny. So yeah, but that just about does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and goodbye.